In this video, I'll show you how to record your screen on your iPhone. If this helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it too. Okay, I'm gonna show you the old way just in case you don't have the latest software update on your phone. So the first thing we're going to do is open the settings app on our iPhone. Then scroll down and select Control Center. Now here, if you have an old software update, is where you can customize your control center. But since I have the latest software update, how you will do it is by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Now here is where you can edit your control center. And to do that, you simply have to select the plus icon that you see right here at the top left corner of your screen. At the bottom, we will select Add a Control. And if you scroll down just a little bit, right here under Display and Brightness, you will see Screen Recording. Of course, I'm recording my screen right now, so it shows me that I am doing that right this second. But if you're not, what you will do is simply tap anywhere on your screen. And now whenever you want to record your screen, you will simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, and you will select this little target icon that you see on your screen. This will automatically start recording your screen. And whenever you're done, you will simply drag down again and select your screen. This will automatically stop recording your screen, and now you can find your video on your photos. Hope this helps.